Hi, I'm Joe Crea. I'm a member of USGBC's Marketing and Communications Department. I'm here to do a platinum profile with Scott Tew, the Chief Sustainability Officer of Ingersoll Rand. Thank you very much for attending, Scott.
Thank you, Joe.
I wanted to ask about Ingersoll Rand's climate change commitments that have been made to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Would you elaborate, please?
Yeah, sure. So last month, the company made a big announcement. Really, it's all about the future around the actions that we can take on making some positive impacts on climate change. It was three parts. Number one was about our products and customer solutions. We've committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions by lowering the global warming potential of refrigerants that we use in our products by 50% by 2020, which is significant given the global nature of our products and where they go in buildings. Number two is we've also made a commitment to reduce greenhouse gases in our facilities and our operations by 35% by 2020. And then lastly, we committed to spend up to $500 million on research and development and engineering on demonstration projects and convening governments, non-governmental organizations like the USGBC and others to help us plan for pathways that currently do not exist on how to lower greenhouse gas in areas where there is no current solution.
How do Ingersoll Rand's new commitments help green buildings?
Yeah, so green buildings, in my view, are all about buildings that perform better for the owners, perform better for people that work or live in those buildings, and our commitment is all about helping buildings perform better as well. Specifically, buildings performing more efficiently with a lower impact on the environment, which is also the same views that the USGBC holds as well. And the Greenbuild is all about, which is about buildings that dispense with all the trade-offs, things you do not have to give up, to have a building that does more for you.
Do you all take into account the occupant experience of your buildings, and if so, how?
Yeah, we do. So we have a full team that works with customers on what is the occupant experience. Everything from behaviors of how occupants, what actions they take in the building to reduce energy and other resources, to also their experience, meaning how productive are the occupants in the building, what's their experience in terms of comfort. All those things are taken into account when we do building upgrades or help a customer design a building.